Silver and gold coin auctions on YouTube offer crappy deals. How you doing, everybody? Welcome to Empire Precious Metals. If you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy talking about precious metals. So make sure you blast the subscribe button. Get the bell notification click. That way you get updated with any new content. Today I am talking about something I know about very, very well. Is that even proper grammar? Probably not. This is something I know a lot about. And that is silver and gold coin auctions on YouTube. But today's topic is talking about deals on these auctions. Now, those of you that are unfamiliar with my channel, I have weekly auctions Wednesday evenings, 7 p.m. Eastern, here on my YouTube channel. I also have metals for sale on my website, empirepreciousmetals.com. But when it comes to deals, can you find them on these silver and gold auctions on YouTube? Long story short, no. That's just the fast, quick answer. No, you can't. Okay? And I'm probably going to get attacked by a big number of my comrades within the stacking community who do these auctions. Okay, let's talk about this, though. I've made no secret of the fact that my auctions tend to have a high premium on the items up for sale. Well, why is that? Mainly in part due to the fact that over the last 2.5 years, I've been able to develop a decent following for the channel, and I have a consistent, regular group who are there every single auction. They like what I do. They support the channel. They enjoy the company of everybody else that are within the live chat. We've built our own community within the stacking niche, and it's a place and a time for all of us to get together on the live stream on my channel. We have a lot of inside jokes. We talk about different things from week to week. It's usually a lot of fun. Oftentimes, somebody says something within the chat and it gets me laughing hysterically, and I can't get it together. So we tend to have a very good time on the auction. So oftentimes, those of you that are watching live streams, just in general, you'll see people do a super chat where they will tip the individual hosting a live stream. I'm not talking about auctions. I'm just saying live streams in general, okay? So you'll see somebody that you're a fan of, for example, they're doing a live stream, and then you'll see somebody drop them a $20, $30, $50 super chat, and they say, love your channel. Thanks for everything that you do. Okay. Now, let's think about auctions for a second. And this is something that ECP brought up to me that I never really thought of. When you are participating in these auctions, in a way, it's almost as if you are super chatting your host, but you're getting something tangible in return. Think about that for a second here. As the host for this stream every week, I put a ton of time into everything, whether it's the graphics, planning on the different metals to put up, coming up with themes, videos, games to play, and then processing the orders, conducting the live stream. I mean, there's a lot that goes on with it. When somebody bids, let's say, on this Queen Anne's Revenge coin, and let's say they buy this coin for $100. Let's say that that's the winning bid, $100 on this coin. Okay, this coin right now, and the secondary market goes for approximately $90, $100 on, let's say, eBay or some secondary retailers. Okay, that is a way in which the individual, they may have been able to get this for $40 when it first came out, $50, what have you. But that's a way that the individual is basically tipping the host. They are 9 times out of 10 very much aware that they are paying for the item more than what they can get it for on, let's say, like an eBay. But they're getting something out of it. They're getting the entertainment value. They get to sit back, have a drink, laugh, whatever. And they're getting a coin that actually has value in return. That is one way to look at it. And again, if you're just looking for bargain basement deals on coins, YouTube auctions aren't really the best way to go about it. You might get lucky every once in a while. You might be able to go into a stream where there's, a low attendance or something, and somebody just tries to put up, let's say, a gold coin. They start the bidding off $1, and let's say like only a few people bid, and you outbid them, but they, you walk away with the coin a lot cheaper. I mean, that's rare. It can happen, but it's very rare. But you can't really get those, really close to spot deals or get a highly collectible coin for a tremendously low price. I mean, that is very, very rare to happen on these YouTube auctions. So if you're looking for deals, can you get them on the auctions? It's very rare. It can happen once in a blue moon. It will happen on my channel. It is often the very opposite. We joke on my YouTube live streams that people enjoy overpaying. We even have a t-shirt that says I overpaid. But let's just be honest here. There's not really a lot of deals to be had in these live streams. So it's a form of entertainment. It's a way for you to show your appreciation to the channels. If anybody is hosting these live streams, these auctions, and they're saying that they have great deals on their streams, I mean, I would be very cautious if I were you. They're not really telling you straight up. I've had people in my live stream saying they're brand new to stacking, and they're trying to figure out how to bid and everything, and I would tell them, don't bid on my auctions if you're new to stacking. That is not how you grow a stack. That is not where you're looking to buy your silver and gold at low premium. That's not the time and place to do it. If they want to bid and they know the value of the coins, but they want to pay a little bit more just because it's fun and they want to win and show support, that's different. But, make sure that you know what you're getting into. Again, deals on these auctions, not really. They don't really happen all that often. But I'm curious, what are your thoughts on the YouTube auctions? Have you ever been able to get a good deal? If you have, what was that awesome item that you somehow sniped and snagged it while everybody wasn't paying attention? Do you agree with me? Is it just a form of entertainment? I haven't really seen too many people within the auction community really kind of scamming anybody. I haven't really seen too much of that. Haven't really seen a lot of misrepresentation of items on the different lots and everything. If I do, I'll definitely be one to shout it out and tell people be wary of this individual because they're scamming or whatever. But it seems, at least from the most part, everybody is on the up and up, at least from what I've seen. So anyhow, let us know your comments down below. What are your thoughts on these auctions? Have you ever gotten a deal? And I guess that's all I got for you. And I would like to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't already become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, this is Empire Precious Metals. Until next time, long live the Empire.